spit? Did you spit already? Okay, Dad, get ready. Take the pit.
Okay. Here, let me try it.
They're over there in the bag. Get ready, Dad.
I'm going to do
Ready
that.
like this, Carter. What? About
Golly.
24 feet. Holy cow!
Man, Mary.
Get over on that end, Mark.
My fingers are purple.
Here, Carter, you want another one?
No.
You want to eat the cherry?
Go. Yeah.
Well, here, I've got my pit.
With the pit.
All right, I'm ready. Oh, that was a dud.
Right there. 22.
That only went 10. I'm no good.
Went
I'm
like
not a
14.
good hitter. Oh, now we got. Don't eat it now. Come on, Carter. You want to try it again? Spencer, have you scored Carter? Wait. Oh, Spencer. Carter. Get off the spit pit.
Why do I always have to
All right, Dad. Wait. 1, 2. Got the same spot right there. Oh, Carter.
Yeah.
Ow!